Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today we'll talk about like how to shortlist good universities in France for master studies, specifically in engineering. So let's start. Here in France there are different types of universities specifically for engineering or masters, you can say, or for the international students. So here we are, so in France. Uh, if you want to do a research in masters, you have to select some specific university who has a good opportunity for further PhD or some research opportunities. And if you want to go for a job or you want to get in touch with industry, you need to find something specifically for those universities or those schools who are closely attached to the industry. So here, in my opinion and from my experience, I can divide these schools in three types. One is research, and one is a Polytech institute, and other is applied sciences. So here are some lists that I am giving you. It could help you to find some good universities, or help you to make some choice. uh, so for engineering school, I can say the Grand École is one of the most prestigious schools or universities in France. So obviously you should choose some Grand Écoles that has a very good academic background, or also a good ranking also. So for research, I'll say you can search for like École Polytechnique Paris. This École Polytech is basically for research, for industry, for everything you want. It's the best university or best school in France, and it's also highly competitive. And École Nationale, there are lots of École Nationale schools. École Nationale schools also in Paris, also in Paris they have 2-3 Écoles Nationales, so you can select one of them if you have a course there. Also Agro Paris is also one of the good technical schools there. So these are kind of a very top and very highly competitive schools. So next, if I come to Polytech Institute in France, the Polytech Institute are also really closely attached here. From my experience, I can say that. And these are also included in Grand École. So also I'll put in the link for a website where you can select the Grand Écoles. You can choose, you can have a look on the courses and which are the Grand Écoles that suits your career. And it's called Conference de Grand École. So in this, they are kind of a conference, or you can say an organization who who make a list of these total schools, all of the schools in France. So I'll put that link and have a look. After that, let's talk about some Polytech institutes. They are called like INP. In France, we have many Polytech Institute, and best of them are INP Toulouse, or I can say INP Grenoble. It's under UGA, University Grenoble Alps, INP Lorraine, or there are many others, and those are really good, like INP Lille, INP Nantes, INP Nice Sophie, INP Marseille. So in this location you can have a look on those on their websites actually. And after that it comes like applied science. Applied sciences are really good also. It's very competitive, obviously, like all the French students, and they really want to go to the INSA network, for the applied science, School of Applied Sciences. So here I am giving you like 4 or 5 INSA schools that you can you can have a look there. So INSA Lyon, INSA Toulouse, INSA Strasbourg, or INSA Rouen. So these are 4-5 schools. You can have a look and try to search, like if you have any course there, or what are the criteria. So these are the schools things. So now let's talk about inside what is happening of these schools, like how the course structure, and what makes you determine this is a good school or not. So first of all, you have the school list, okay? So next, check the location. Come on, you are engineer, you have the survive skill. Yeah, in France, some places are really cold, but it doesn't matter, you can survive. So location, yeah, you can check for that. And check your courses. So when you select some schools and you are looking for courses, check the courses if there is something new, or if there are some courses that will be organized by any industry or not. If the courses are really closely attached to the industry, or it's closely linked to very new innovation or new technologies, it could help you to find a good opportunities. It will be little bit difficult, but many multinational companies are now working on like very new kind of technologies for specifically for sustainability. So in France, there are big companies like EDF, like Energy. EDF has many companies in every field. Also, Siemens, Schneider. There are many multinational companies. They are looking for very new topics. So many companies are looking for a very specific field of study that the students are pursuing right now. So if you look for that kind of courses, so I think you will get some good opportunities here. So next, you can check also the ranking. Yeah, like ranking also matters. It helps you to like, you know, like according to your profile, which is the possibilities that you will get admission. So it also, you can check QS or THE ranking for for your reference. And as I told you, the most important is the course structure, so that you need to be careful for that. And tuition fees, like the grand ecoles are very applied and industrial oriented. So grand ecoles have very less I can say tuition fees, but not all of them. Like if you want to go École de Paris, it's like 15k euro per year tuition fees. So it's expensive. So also in my opinion, I'll suggest you to go for if your budget is a little bit low, and if you don't have any scholarship, so then go for like Polytechnic, INP, or INSA network schools. This is really good, and I'm pretty sure you will have a great experience there. So try for that. And for the scholarship, yeah, in France there are lots of scholarship. Like Campus France provides many scholarship, and each schools, like, they have their own scholarship. So when you are applying, keep in mind, feel free to ask them if there is some scholarship opportunity or not, so that you can apply when you are applying as a candidate. So keep in mind that it's a helps you before making any decision. So I think for this video, this is all. This is what I plan to tell you. And I hope like you have some at least some clear view, like how can you can start finding some universities, and and try for that link and check for the schools, like go their each websites and check their courses, and I hope it will help you. So stay tuned, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.